telecom operators face a critical question. How do we future-proof today's infrastructure investments? The answer is clear. Software-driven networks are no longer optional. They're essential. The 6G era will bring unprecedented opportunities. Smart glasses, intelligent robots and drones, and ISAC. On top of that, the rise of AI agents and the surge in agent-to-agent communications will drive network traffic to unprecedented levels. Faced with these changes, future-proofing your network becomes simple with Samsung. Samsung's virtualized RAN, or vRAN, disaggregates network functions from dedicated hardware. This means flexible CPU and GPU integration, seamless updates, and AI capabilities built in from the ground up, not bolted on later. Our 6G testbeds are already delivering results. 3.05 gigabits per second downlink speeds. Operators embracing vRAN today gain operational advantages right now. Together with them, Samsung is not just preparing for 6G, we're leading the way.